Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to tell you guys the symptoms of a bad Vanos solenoid and how do you know it is time to replace it. This is a Vanos solenoid. So there's going to be two Vanos solenoid on the engine, one for the intake and one for exhaust. And the purpose of the Vanos solenoid is to control the amount of engine oil going to the camshaft to optimize valve timing. The purpose of the Vanos solenoid is to control valve overlap. It is used to improve fuel economy and also to improve engine performance. How do you know you might have a bad Vanos solenoid? And the first sign is going to be you're going to notice rough idle and the engine might be shaking. If you notice vibration or shaking coming from the engine, it is possible that Vanos solenoid might be clogged on the inside, or maybe the filter for the Vanos solenoid or check valve might be clogged, caused by buildups. If there is oil sludge inside the Vanos solenoid or dirt buildup, again, it can cause the Vanos solenoid to not work properly. And to fix the issue, it is very simple. All you gotta do is use carburetor cleaner and clean the inside of the port, and hopefully that'll fix the issue. The next sign is going to be noise. Again, if the Vanos solenoid is not working properly, maybe caused by a bad wire or bad connection, or maybe the Vanos solenoid is faulty, or maybe it is clogged again, you might notice ticking noise at idle. The next sign is going to be loss of power. If you notice the engine is taking off slowly when accelerating and it feels extremely sluggish, that could be a sign there might be something wrong with that Vanos solenoid. The next sign is going to be poor gas mileage. Again, the purpose of the Vanos solenoid is to improve engine performance and fuel economy. And when there's something wrong with the Vanos solenoid, again, it is going to affect gas mileage. The next sign is going to be stalling. If you notice your vehicle is stalling at the traffic light or at the stop sign, it could be a sign that Vanos solenoid might be failing, because the purpose of the Vanos solenoid is to help adjust variable timing. And when that part is being affected, again, you will notice stalling at the stop sign or at the traffic light. The next sign is going to be strange noise. For example, if you're driving and suddenly you let go of the gas pedal and you notice shrieking noise or whining noise or whistling noise, especially when decelerating, that could be a sign there's something wrong with that Vanos solenoid. The next sign of a bad Vanos solenoid is going to be the engine is running poorly at cold start. If you notice the engine is running poorly and you notice idle fluctuation, or maybe you might notice that the RPM might just suddenly jump, that could be a sign that there's something wrong with that Vanos solenoid. The next sign it is time to replace the Vanos solenoid is going to be your vehicle is going to be stuck in limp mode. So limp mode is a safety feature that's going to limit the vehicle speed to about 35 miles per hour or second gear. So those are the symptoms of a bad Vanos solenoid. Again, I recommend that you clean the Vanos solenoid and the filter or check valve before replacing it. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.